Hello everyone, welcome to Eon Lab. Do you know how plants reproduce? Let's talk about that. Classification of organisms. We use different characteristics of organisms to classify them into groups. The 5 largest groups are the kingdoms. Each kingdom can be split into smaller groups based on their characteristics. Plants are split into flowering plants, conifers, ferns, and mosses. Each smaller group is divided into even smaller groups, as shown in this diagram. The characteristics of organisms in a group get more and more similar as the groups get smaller. The last group contains only one type of organisms. We give this organism a scientific name using the name of two last groups, the genus and the species. Although these scientific names are in Latin and look complicated, they are less confusing than common names. One species can have different common names, and some different species all have the same common name. Biodiversity. Habitats containing many different species have greater biodiversity. We need to preserve biodiversity because organisms depend on one another. If an organism became extinct, it will affect other organisms in a habitat that may cause them to become extinct too. If an organism is no more, we will say that the organism is extinct. There are many undiscovered substances in organisms that are useful. If organisms become extinct, we may lose useful products. Areas with greater biodiversity recover faster from disasters. UK farms have many hedges providing habitats for a wide range of organisms. UK farmland recovers quite quickly from drought. In America, huge areas of land were plowed up to grow a single plant, wheat. Droughts in the 1930s caused wheat to die. The soil dried up because plants that used to hold it together were no longer there. An area of land the size of England turned to dust, and some parts still have not recovered. Pollination. Most flowers contain both male and female reproductive organs. Each pollen grain contains a male gamete. As the petal closed on this chapter, the roots of fascination had taken hold, ready to sprout into a lifelong passion for the wonders of plant reproduction. Thanks for watching.